Today, let's learn 100 of the most common leisure, sports and entertainment words in British English. Part B. Entertainment and media. Cinema. We went to the cinema last night. Film. That film was brilliant. TV show. My favorite TV show is on tonight. Series. I watched the whole series over the weekend. Documentary. The documentary about wildlife was fascinating. Game show. She loves watching game shows. Cartoon. The children watched a cartoon. Animation. The animation in that film was excellent. Streaming. We're streaming a new comedy tonight. Theater. We saw a Shakespeare play at the theater. Concert. She went to a live concert in London. Festival. We're going to a food festival this Saturday. Live show. They enjoyed the live show at the fair. Radio. I always listen to the radio on the way to work. News. The news is on at 6 o'clock. Magazine. He read a sports magazine on the train. Comic. My little brother loves superhero comics. Newspaper. I read the newspaper every morning with tea. Book. She's reading a book about space. Crime fiction. He enjoys reading crime fiction novels. Science fiction. Science fiction stories often talk about the future. Non-fiction. I prefer non-fiction books about nature. Biography. I'm reading a biography of David Attenborough. Autobiography. His autobiography tells the story of his career. Cookbook. He tried a new recipe from his cookbook. Social and free time activities. Picnic. We had a picnic in the park. Barbecue. They had a barbecue in the garden. Birthday party. Her birthday party was fun. Fair. We went on the rides at the fair. Amusement park. The amusement park was exciting. Zoo. We saw lions at the zoo. Museum. We visited the Science Museum. Gallery. The gallery had amazing paintings. Library. I borrowed books from the library. Park. We had lunch in the park. Scavenger hunt. We organized a scavenger hunt for the children. Beach. They built sandcastles on the beach. Shopping center. The shopping center was crowded. Cafe. We had tea at the cafe. Restaurant. We ate dinner at a restaurant. Club. She goes to a dance club. Pub. They met friends at the pub. Board game. We played a new board game. Card game. He taught us a new card game. Video game. He spent the afternoon playing a video game. Bonfire. They sat around the bonfire. Fireworks. The fireworks were colorful. Holiday. They went on holiday to Spain. Tour. We went on a guided tour of the old castle. Road trip. They planned a road trip across the countryside. Fantastic job. You've learned 100 most common leisure, sports and entertainment words grouped by theme in Part A and B videos. Like this video. Comment below. Download the worksheet. And subscribe for more lessons.